Samsung's biggest missing piece of puzzle is making its comeback. Things are really heating up between Apple and Samsung now. Samsung is in serious rush to launch their next big thing. Let me explain this. There have been a missing puzzle from some time and Samsung is finally putting it back. As per new rumors, we all know Samsung isn't planning to just launch the Z Fold 8, but there will be a newer wide version of Z Fold 8 as well. And this is the exact variant which will have your missing puzzle. I mean the S Pen. Yes guys, the S Pen is making its comeback. The legacy of Samsung Note series and later on which shifted into S series and now being carried out by the Fold series. Looks like Samsung isn't planning to ditch the S Pen forever. But here is the catch. Samsung Z Fold 8 won't have the S Pen at all, but the Z Fold 8 Wide or Z Fold 8 Ultra, no names confirmed yet, you can call anything, but this specific version will have it. It's all because Samsung tries to make the foldables as thin as possible. We have seen how the Z Fold lineup has evolved gradually. Now, if you are wondering how the Z Fold 8 Wide will look like, then here are the few renders which were posted in a survey from Samsung and it looks exactly like the iPhone Fold with wider screen and not so tall. Now, here is the reason why Samsung Z Fold 8 variant won't have the S Pen. Firstly, it's because Samsung don't want to make it thick again. Secondly, because Samsung is copy pasting the Apple here. Earlier, there were rumors that there will be a taller and wider screen on Z Fold 8 Wide. But now Samsung has decided to do exact same as Apple is planning to do with their iPhone Fold. Here are the dimensions based on the current leaks. Samsung is going to manufacture their Z Fold 8 Wide by keeping the almost exact same dimensions of iPhone Fold in front. Same display sizes and that same wide form factor with same aspect ratio. Looks like Samsung can't innovate anymore. Well, they never did. Let me tell you why Samsung is doing that. You all know what happened with the S25 Edge. Samsung tried a new phone, a slim one, but it flopped and they did it because they wanted to do it before the Apple's iPhone 17 Air. But iPhone 17 Air is far better than the S25 Edge and is still performing good enough while there are no traces of S25 Edge anymore. Same thing they are going to do again. They just don't want Apple to release their iPhone Fold first and let the whole world know that Apple did it first. They want to launch their Z Fold 8 Wide before the iPhone Fold and want everyone to know that Samsung brought this idea for the first time. But things probably won't go as planned because Samsung will definitely try to rush things and most probably end up being the same case as of the S25 Edge. Another reliable tipster, Ben Gaskin on X, has also compared the printed module of iPhone Fold with the Oppo Find N5 and N2, and you can see with the Find N2 it looks pretty similar, but iPhone is pretty wide. The only difference between iPhone Fold and Z Fold 8 Wide is that iPhone Fold is a bit rounded and Samsung's version is more like boxy shape. iPhone Fold will have two rear cameras, no specs confirmed yet, but about the Z Fold 8, we can't say anything. It might have two as well because they have already copied everything from iPhone Fold, so why stop here? So would you go for Z Fold 8 Wide or wait for the iPhone Fold? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. For further iPhone Fold details, watch these videos and I'll catch you there.